Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nora's food reviews, and mukbangs. Here I have a guest, Keaton, and I am trying a Costco chicken bake. Okay, first bite. Count. Okay. Now it's my turn to take a bite. Now it's my turn to take a bite. So this is the worst guest star I've had on the show. Besides, well, the only other one was Charlotte Arthur. But instead, I'll be trying a vanilla and hot fudge sundae. $2.99, pretty good price. Delicious, honestly. I love this. It's like a mix between soft serve ice cream and frozen yogurt. So, do you want to review anything? Alright, can I please have the chicken bake so I can review it? Thanks. Hey guys, first bite, this is what it looks like.
Why did you get the good lighting? Bro.
Don't even have good lighting. It's like down there.
There we go. Chicken bake, Costco. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, honestly.
Peace, guys.
Hey, you know the gist. Hit that like button, sub to the channel, and comment what you want to see next and where you want me to see you eat. I'm thinking next, maybe, I don't know yet. And comment what guest star you want to see appear. Thanks, guys. And remember, stay wild.
Yeah.
And don't let your food go mild.